All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've already done the unboxing on this bike. This bike is an older bike, came out in September 2023. There's a lot of reviews when it initially came out, and then it kind of fell off. So my question is this still the best Bros mid-hub with a Gates belt drive on the market for under $2,700. All right, this bike's going to show up as a Class 3 commuter bike. Has a Class 3 sticker on it, so if you're looking for a Class 2 bike, this isn't it, because there's a sticker down here that says Class 3. Has the German-made Browse, I think it's called Browse, mid-hub drive. Has the Gates carbon belt, and it also has an Envelo shifter, which is a smooth CVT shifter. This bike, if you were to buy it new, currently today, it's going to be $2,795. But I've seen it on sale for like the last 2 or 3 months for $2,595. Still very expensive. However, is it worth it? So the question that you have to ask yourself, is all of this package what you're looking for? And if you put this package on something else, how much are you going to pay? Let's talk specs. The motor is a Browse TF Sprinter mid-drive. It's 250 watt nominal, peaks are higher. I think I saw it peaked at 440. It's got 90 Newton meters of torque, 4 assist levels. You've got Eco Tour Sport and Boost/Turbo. This bike is not completely stock. I have replaced the pedals for a set of clipless. Been a while since I've used clipless pedals and immediately fell over. Now, given my size, my girth, this seat was comfortable. While it was usable and I could go 20 miles on this seat, it wasn't plush enough for my big ass. So I put a comfort seat on here, which is much better. The only problem with this is that it creaks. That's the seat creaking, not the bike. You won't hear the bike creak at all, but the seat's definitely creaking. The battery is a 36 volt, 14 amp hour battery. Uses Samsung cells, has smart BMS. Its claimed range is 30 to 50 miles. That seems to be about what it would get in eco mode to me. I've been running it in tour, and between tour and sport mode, I've been getting 25 to 30 miles. The battery itself is housed behind this down tube cover and takes a key to unlock it. Straighter. It's got a little push to release. That's the battery. The nice thing about the battery is that it has an indicator on it, but you can also charge the battery outside of the bike, because that's where the charger would plug in at. Or you could charge the battery in the bike, which is how I've been doing it. This display is so small, even trying to get it on camera is tough. But you've got your light, you've got your range, which, yeah, it needs to be charged. You have your miles per hour. Then you have your pedal assist mode. Right now it's in boost. Then you've got sport, tour, eco, and off. These are very difficult to see while you're on the bike, obviously. Then at the bottom of the display, you have range. You have your time, which is not 6:06 a.m. You have your trip time, your average speed, max speed, and yeah, I got it up to 31 miles per hour. Your odometer, believe me, that was downhill. Your cadence, which is while you're pedaling. Your average cadence, maximum cadence, power while you're pedaling, average power, maximum power,
and back to range. So you have all of those displayed to you.
The shifter's an MVLO, continuous stepless trip shifter. Basically shows the hill increasing or decreasing as you go up and down through the gears. So as you turn up, the hill raises, meaning that you're going uphill. As you turn down, the hill flattens out. And that's how you go as fast as possible. There are various, you can kind of feel it as you turn in. You can kind of feel little steps along the way that you have to kind of get past as you're turning. This is easy to turn if you have gloves on. The headlight puts out 80 lumens. I have not figured out how to make it flash. So if you can, I don't know. The tail light is just a tail light. Doesn't do brakes, doesn't do turn signals. And I can't figure out how to make it flash. The tires are Maxxis Recon Rage. Whatever that means. They're not tubeless, but I hear you can make them tubeless. I don't know that for sure. The suspension is 100 millimeter air suspension fork that can be varied or locked out. Comes with Tektro Orion 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes that give you plenty of stopping power. It does come with a rear rack that can hold up to 40 pounds. Rear fender, and yes, I still haven't put on the front fender. I'll get to it. I've been busy. And then, like I said, you can charge the battery while it's on the bike with a charge port. It comes with a 2 amp 36 volt charger. Should charge 0 to full in about 6-7 hours. As I was doing research for this bike, I could have swore it said it was 40 pounds. It's not 40 pounds, 61 pounds. It's only off by 20 pounds. But question is, can my old ass pick it up and put it on this rack? The rack is really not for this bike, but if it'll hold 2 bikes at 80 pounds, it should hold 1 bike at 60 pounds. Let's see. Lift with your back, right? Ain't that what they say? Oh, no, lift with your knees? How am I gonna lift this thing? Oh, okay, here we go. Let's just see. No. Try, get a little more leverage here. All right. Whew, nothing to it. Now, it's actually not that bad. Oh, jeez. Okay, I lied. It is that bad. But fits on there nice, and I'm gonna be able to take it wherever I wanna go. These bikes come in 2 flavors. You have the step over version, which I have here, and then you have the step through version, which I don't have. It accommodates riders anywhere from 5'5" to 6'1" is what the website says. And this is what I'll look like riding it. How does Scott do that? He makes that look so easy. So I did end up buying the comfort package. Yeah, don't waste your money. If you're a big boy like me, you can't get this tight enough to keep it from going down. As soon as I sit on it, it goes down. So there's really no suspension seat active for me. And then this padding, I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of it, but it's not, I mean, it's like I said, when you're a big guy like me, this padding just squishes down to nothing. And so this seat ends up feeling just like the seat that came with the bike. tour mode. About to conquer the Hill of Doom. No, not really. More like the Hill of Gloom. Let's get clipped in. All right. So, here we go. Get up the hill a little bit. Oh, that's too easy. Let's go down to Eco. In Eco mode, that's the easiest gear. It's tough, but it's doable. If we want to go faster, raise this up, grab a lower gear, and away you go. Easy peasy. Damn it. Fucking shoe. Ah. All right. Sure, I got that on film. Here's the funny part. I was done. It's actually the second time that I've done this. First time I forgot to hit record. Oh well.
Speaking of not hitting record, I forgot to hit record on this one, but this is me stopping from 20 miles an hour, and it stopped at a distance of 23 feet.
All right, so I was looking for a non-windy day to do this, but apparently it's not going to be a non-windy day. I don't know if I was recording, but I got 23 feet was the stop at 20 miles an hour. As you can hear, it's quiet. The only thing you hear are the noises of the tires or when I stop pedaling. So it's an extremely quiet bike. Nice and smooth too. I don't know if I told you, I put bigger handlebars on here because the handlebars that came with it were too small, in my opinion. Hopefully it doesn't hit the power line. They're low enough not to hit it, right? I think so. Drone's tracking me well. It's extremely smooth. There's no ghost pedaling. Right now I've got it in boost mode because I was doing the stopping thing. I usually keep it in either Eco or Tour. Usually I keep it in Tour.
So I thought I had the body camera on and recording, but I didn't. Here you can see the drone going through the trees. And yeah, I know it's supposed to be about the bike, but man, this drone is cool. Watch what it does. I can't believe it tracks me the whole way. Here in a second I turn around because I'm fairly certain that I've lost the drone. And I'm pleasantly surprised. You'll be able to hear how windy it is, obviously, and how well the drone flies in the wind.
Yeah, it had to have gotten lost. Oh, look at that. It's right there. That's amazing. How'd that thing track me through those trees? Well, I'm really testing it now. Where'd it go? I hear it. That's hilarious. No way I thought it'd follow me through there. Drone's awesome.
One surprising thing about this drone, not too many people are hearing it. It actually buzzes this lady and she doesn't even look.
All right, comes off there pretty easily. My shoes come out now. Hopefully I won't fall over again.
I know this video is more about the Ride1Up Prodigy V2. However, I did get some pretty good drone footage, and maybe I'll make a drone video in the future. But as far as the bike goes, listen, I'm super happy with it. I've actually got 150 miles on the thing now, and I've actually ridden it more than I have my other bike. So, is it worth the price tag? That was the whole point of this video. Is it worth the price tag? I don't know if it is, but if you compare it against other bikes in this class, I actually think that it's pretty cheap. And it's a well-made bike, and it's extremely fun to ride. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.